want to be a ham, dude. I want to be glazed with honey and become yummy. I will plump myself up for Thanksgiving. I must be served at the S&P Live dinner table. I want to be a juicy ham. I want to be eaten. I want to be chomped by the S&P Live members. Eat me, S&P Live. I'm a juicy ham.
Okay, I admit it, I've got a crush.
Ah, man, I gotta do this song now, but I forgot my inhaler. I hope I can make it through. Wishing, I wish, and I wish. I've been moving calm, no start, no trouble with me. Begging Jimmy's mom is a struggle for me. You pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you're laughing on me. I don't wanna die for she to miss me. Yes, I see things they wishing on me. Hope that Jimmy will outlive me. They all tell the story, stuff was different with me. Jimmy's plan. I hold back, sometimes I don't. Yeah, I feel good, sometimes I don't. I feel Nestar Metroville. Might go down like a pill. Aliens might get us killed, yeah. Me and the llamas chill and still. Bad things, there's a lot of bad things. They wishing and wishing and wishing, wishing and wishing on me. Jimmy's mom said, do you love me? I tell her only partly, only left the salt in my llama, I'm sorry. $50, we even got it tatted on me. 81, I bring the crashers to your party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03. Without she, there would be no me. Imagine if I never met the broskies. Jimmy's plan. I can't do this on my own. Hey, someone's watching this close. I can nest on Metroville. Hey, nest. Might go down like a pill. Aliens might get us killed. Me and the llamas always chill and still. Bad things, there's a lot of bad things. They're wishing and wishing and wishing, wishing and wishing on me. Bad things, there's a lot of bad things. They wishing and wishing, wishing and wishing and wishing on me. Oh man, I might need my inhaler now.
How is your health now? You are an extraordinary young man. We hear too many stories about people being bullied, but I can tell you one thing. Most people are bullied because they're better than the people who bully them. You know that? And I think you have such an amazing talent, such a personality, and I would like to say something on your behalf to the bullies.